Welcome back, friends, to the Spirited Shop. I am the Spirited Maker, and today we are going to see what makes a kitchen timer tick. This is a cheapo I got at Walmart, and I want to see what's in the guts that makes it accurate and simple. I like to see what simple things are made of. So let's crack this thing open and see what's under the hood. There doesn't appear to be any fasteners, just a cover here that it looks like we should be able to just pop open. Let's see. See if we can pop it open with a screwdriver without destroying it. Wow. Oh. So, it's self-contained. So really, that's probably the bell. Ooh. Let's pull that off, the face off. So what do we have here? Yeah, it's just a whole lot of gears. So if we put that on, we would be turning it this way. Ooh. That takes some leverage. And you can see the little clockwork mechanism underneath. It's spinning back and forth. You're all the way, why are you still ticking? It stopped. So, can we take this apart without losing a million gears? Let's undo these screws and see what's under this part. I'm afraid I might have to pull these off to really see what's under it. Try not to lose anything. We may be springing the spring. There's a clockwork here. Oh, we sure did. Oh well. Let's unscrew this one on the back as well. I think that's what keeps the whole thing in. So, ain't no way that's going back. Oh, that thing's spring-loaded as well. That's the counterweight that goes back and forth, back and forth. So what's attached? What's keeping it attached? That. Ooh. So it's double sprung. It's wound around this gear and this gear in opposite directions. So when it's oscillating back and forth. Interesting. Yeah, the belt, the housing has to be the bell. Such fine gears. Teeny tiny fine gears. I mean, that's really it. You wind up the spring and it just sits there oscillating back and forth. Like I said, there ain't no way you're getting that spring back together. Once it springs, it's sprung. Ooh, that's sharp. Yeah, it's sprung, it's wound on both of these. Let's try and get this off so we can see there's a gearing on both sides, or there's one-way gears, teeth in this. There's one-way teeth in this gear, if you can see them. They're angled that one direction. Huh. Let's take the spring off if we can. There we go. Ooh. Yeah. And see, these two do not interact with each other directly, other than the spring that Yes, that little gear fell, and now I'm trying to find it, so give me a minute. It may be lost from the history books for the ages. Oh, there it is. It's not so much as a gear as a, I guess that's what ratchets on the inside of that one. Oop. It's hard to hold it because it's so small. That ratchets in this gear, and it'll ratchet only one way. See? You can go this way, this can turn this way, but so I think that's how you wind it up. Interesting. Wind up the spring with it. That's it. That's all that's in the kitchen timer. Gears. And a spring. I imagine they're precisely tuned to accurately do the minutes. That's all I really have. I wanted to see what made this thing kick, and now we know. Gears and a spring. That's some sharp stuff. You can cut yourself on it. Anyway, that's all I have for today. I just thought it'd be fun to see what was inside one of these cheap little timers. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for your time. And as always, friends, God bless. I'll see you next time.